In today's video, I'm going to teach you Vidnami versus InVideo. If you've been around online video creation for a while, you probably remember Vidnami. It used to be a popular tool for quickly turning scripts into videos. However, Vidnami is no longer available. It was discontinued and you can't purchase or access it anymore. In contrast, InVideo is very much alive, actively supported, and constantly updated with new AI-powered features. So when we compare the two, we're really looking at what Vidnami used to offer versus what InVideo gives you right now. Vidnami was mainly focused on quick explainer videos and affiliate-style content. It was great if you wanted simple talking head style or slideshow videos with text on screen and stock footage. InVideo, on the other hand, is built with modern content in mind. It's better suited for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and high-performing ads, as well as traditional YouTube videos. That means it's designed to help your content stand out on today's social media platforms. In terms of ease of use, Vidnami was loved for its very straightforward workflow. You'd paste in a script, and the tool would automatically create scenes with matching visuals and text. InVideo is also beginner-friendly, but it gives you more tools and options. There's still an easy mode where AI does a lot of the heavy lifting. Yet you can dive deeper and fine-tune things when you want to. When it comes to templates, Vidnami offered a smaller set of ready-made styles. They worked, but they weren't very diverse. InVideo provides a much larger variety of templates tailored to different content types, brands, and platforms. This makes it faster to match the look and feel you need, whether you're making a vertical reel, a square video for social feeds, or a widescreen YouTube video. Editing is another key difference. Vidnami kept editing simple and quite automatic, which was great for speed but limited your control. InVideo lets you customize almost everything: text, fonts, colors, transitions, effects, branding elements like logos and intros, even layouts. This balance of speed and flexibility is important if you care about building a unique brand style. On the AI side, Vidnami specialized in script-to-video automation. You'd input your text and it did most of the rest. InVideo combines that style of AI generation with more robust manual editing. You can let AI generate a first draft, then tweak scenes, adjust timings, or replace media to better match your message. For social media, Vidnami didn't really optimize deeply for different platforms. InVideo is designed for social-first content with strong support for vertical formats and platform-specific sizes, which helps your videos look native wherever you publish them. And finally, pricing. Since Vidnami is no longer available, there's nothing to buy or subscribe to. InVideo currently offers a free plan with limitations, along with paid subscriptions that unlock more features, exports, and higher quality. And that's it. Now you have a clear comparison of Vidnami versus InVideo, and how InVideo has essentially stepped in to cover and expand on what Vidnami used to do.